This is everything that's wrong with my G35. We are here with a full dust. We're gonna do everything that's wrong with my G35.
And my TL.
And the TL. Until you buy it.
Yeah, might.
Because you're not even sure. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me because there might be a few planes here and there. Because whenever you're recording, everybody pops up. Every plane passes you by, like, good Lord. Anyway, here's everything. As I speak, there's a plane coming by. Here's everything wrong with my 2005 G35, soon to be the Vader. Okay, let's start with the outside, okay? As you can see, it looks pretty nice. If you're not looking for defects, it has some nice rims, you know, the aftermarket lights, the aftermarket bumper, stuff like that. But if you look closely, it has a lot of defects. Okay, let's start with the hood. As you can see here, it has a big, well, not such a big gap. It has a gap here, and the hood is actually hit right here. I'm guessing they hit it and they had to replace the lights, and so they bought the aftermarket lights and left this just like that. And because of that hood was hit, as you can see here, that part is like good, and then this goes up. You see this? It goes up, up, up. Things like that, you see? It's not really formed right. So that's a defect right here. Now that we're here, we're gonna check out these aftermarket lights. So you can see they are very blurry, and they have this like I don't know, like texture. I don't know if that's from factory. If you guys have one of these and that's how it's supposed to be, just let me know, because I really don't know. I'm thinking they have like a protective film on it, and the film is going bad, so it looks like this. See it? I don't know. So at nighttime, it barely, you know, illuminates the street, which is not good. This aftermarket bumper is a little bit cracked right here. I'm guessing they hit on this bumper too, the previous owner, and it's a little bit cracked. It's also cracked here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's cracked over here, cracked everywhere. Got some rock, oh Lord, got some rock chips here. You can see. Now that we're here, it has some fitment issues, and it was also hit here. It has some fitment issues here. And it looks like it's on the bolt, but it's not flushed. That's another defect. Then here we have the side marker lights, which is loose, and apparently all filled up with moisture inside. That's not good. We have some more defects here. Now that we're down here, we're gonna look at the bottom of the lip, which is heavily scraped and in really bad shape. We have more cracking here. That grill, it doesn't look that nice. So this is the front lip, which is not in a great condition. We have more cracking here, more cracking here. This part right here, it's like warped. It's like up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't know if you guys can see that. Put the camera. See that? That's like warped. This front plate is broken. What else? This side of the lights. I don't know if this is like an Infiniti thing, but there's like big gap here too. I saw a video online and it had the same gap with the OEM bumper. So I don't know if that's like an Infiniti thing. If it is, just let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know nothing about Infiniti. Okay, so we go to this side. We have more loose side marker. It has an LED, which is nice, and we have some small fitment issues. It's okay. We have more scraping here. Look at that. So I'll keep it cosmetic. So we have this round circle crack here, which I have no idea how in the world that is even possible. That is so weird. Okay, let's go for the defects. On the side, it seems to be normal. It has some little dings here. The back, it's a little scratch here. The back bumper has warp issues. Let me show you what I mean. It's my temporary plate, and that's where I got it from, New Jersey. So I went to the DMV and got a 20-day non-resident temporary plate so I could bring it to New York. So you can see here, it has some, like what seems to be polish. I think they were trying to clean it up or something, but it's like messed up here, it was hit here. So you have some like deformities here. And this is like really rough. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's all dirt. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. That's the bumper. The lights, they're like very hazy. I'm guessing they tried to clean it or something, and they left it like midway, because you can see like some solution on it. You see? But it's not all the way cleaned up. See here too? So the hazy eyes. It's not that bad. This G35, so you can see here, it's debadged, which I don't like, because I would have liked to do that myself and give you guys some more content, but it is what it is. It's whatever. So up to the side. The side has a few dings right here, a little scrape, but it's not too bad. We are missing the little clip from the key right here. And lastly, cosmetically, we talk about these rims. So you can see like this tire has some wear and tear everywhere. Look at that. That's a big chunk right there. But it still has a little, you know, flakes, like if it was brand new. It's super weird. The rims are not in a perfect condition, but they look all right. As you can see, these are Falcons 245 35Z20. Rims are 20s, which I'm guessing these are the maximum size you could put on a G35. If I'm incorrect, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, they look nice. They're in all right condition. You know, they need some TLC. You can see they're scraped and stuff like that. They're all like that in all four corners, but I need to change the brake and rotors for each of the tire, that's for sure. Let's go for the inside. The inside looks to be in okay condition from the outside. You can see for a 13-year-old car, it's pretty good. Okay, so we open up. As you can see, we have the trademark Infiniti rip, but this one is like OD rip. It's in the metal. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This is like terribly bad. This, if you try to move it up and down, let me see if I can do it. You see how it goes like sideways? Look. And then the other buttons work, which is fine, which is okay. You can see here, I didn't even mention, this thing needs some fitment issues that I could fix. I'm guessing it needs clips. The back, as you can see, this thing, this seatbelt has the Infiniti effect, which is staying true to the Infiniti brand. So we're inside the G35. We have a little bit of wear and tear. I mean, this is normal for a 13-year-old car. Stuff like that. It seems fine. It has some rips here. The GPS, it is equipped like with GPS, but it's not it's not working. It worked like one time. It just, you know, popped up, and the GPS like popped up, and it was working fine until I turned off the car, and it never worked again. So if you guys have one of these, if you want to tell me how to make this thing work properly, please let me know in the comment down below so I could fix it, because I like seeing the streets I'm on. I don't know, I just like it. As you can see, we have that rip from the inside. This seat works, has no problems. As you can see, it bends and everything. That window, like when I got the car, it did not like want to go up and down. But yesterday it started working for itself, by itself, and yeah, it's been working ever since. So that's okay. The sunroof does work. As you can see, the back is quite dirty, but the bucket seat seems to be in good condition. It has the rear rugs. In the front, it does not have the rugs. You can see here. The shifter knob is a little bit worn out, which is normal. You know, surprisingly, this thing still works. I'm guessing they didn't use this much because it looks like in good condition. These things are sticky. These things are super dirty. Look at that! Oh my God! Has some old cracks. The car came with a light beer, a free promotion. I'm gonna throw that out. And an immense amount of hair. I'm guessing they had a dog.
Or a really hairy pussy.
And look at this. This is a stuck hair somewhere here.
Stop touching that shit.
It's kind of blonde. As you can see, the inside is in okay condition, but it needs some heavy sanitation, which I'm good at doing, but it's gonna take me a really long time, and I'll probably do that next Saturday. But today, we're just gonna do this and do some maintenance later on. Now that we got the inside and the outside, let's go into the engine compartment, because that's what you guys want to see. I know you guys. I know you too. Let's go. Oh, I'm locked out of my own car, and that's something. Oh, and these things actually work. Oh, look. I've seen in other G35 videos that is usually goes bad, but this one, 13 years old and it still works. I'm lucky, I guess. Let's go to the engine. Oh, God, this thing is like super low. Let's go to the engine. Advanced front midship?
Shield.
Mid-shield? No, midship. That is a midship. Okay, so as you can see, the fender, I mean the hood is really bent here. I could just hammer this out and whatever. Okay, so this is the engine compartment. It doesn't look that pretty, but it has some goodies. It has some goodies. I still have the battery compartment. It doesn't have any rust there, which is good. I like that. It has the battery's in good condition, which I like. So I am trying to look for the cover for this, but I couldn't find an 05 one. Does an 06, 07 like brake fluid cover works on an 05? I would buy it on eBay. I think they're like 34 bucks or 24 bucks. So you can see this engine needs some work. We have the air filter without no cover. The bolt for the air filter is messed up. The intake is held by duct tape, so it loses a lot of power. It can just on that right there. It has some oil like residue here. I don't know, it could be when they fill it up. It has some really bad oil like residue there. It has really rusty parts like this and right here, and that's about it here. Need some TLC. The inside looks very rusty as well. Need some maintenance there. The windshield fluid cover right here is off. Hold on 1 second. Okay, let's continue. They have some rust issues here, there. You know, things that you could scrape out, which is not a big deal. It has some really bad rust here too, which is not a big deal. But the main problem that this thing has right here is that the power steering, as you can see, has a big leak, leaking everywhere there. And the power steering pump is right here. So when I bought the car, they told me that it had a power steering leak, and it is really bad. You can hardly turn on this thing. It's like super hard. So what I'm gonna do today in a separate video is change this pump, that pump, change that power steering pump and see if that fixes the issue. But I can see that it's leaking through here too. If you guys have an idea of what could it be, or could it be like the reservoir that's leaking here? Because I see a lot of oil here too. If you guys have an idea of what could it be, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely take a look at it. So that is what's wrong with my G35. It looks really good, but it does have some issues that you need to address. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy my G35, soon to be my Vador. Oh, sorry. That's a big mistake of mine. I didn't turn it off for you guys. Oh my God. It has 220,000 miles with 216. That's a tip. Let's go to the engine and let you guys hear it. As you can see, as you can hear, it has a ticking problem. Look. I'm getting inside. I don't know if I'm capturing the audio right. Okay, so as you guys can hear, look at this. God, I love that sound, baby. Super sweet. Okay, so as you guys can hear, it has a ticking problem. So like it quiets down like once it's like warm. And I looked online, and a lot of people has this problem. Now correct me if I'm wrong, please. I need you guys' help. That what's most likely the problem with the ticking is a bad coil or a loose spark plug. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what most people said online. This is everything that's wrong with my G35.